Hello guys, today I have got the OnePlus Nord 6 and I'm going to show you how to go for the backup and restore your phone. Open settings at first and here scroll all the way down to the system and update. Here open backup and reset and tap here Google account, Google backup. Here click turn on. Now select what you want to backup, like photos and videos and other device data. Hit confirm and now we've got our backup. We can tap backup now. We can enter our login password to backup and now we are backing up our device. How to restore? Actually, when you set up your phone, you need to just select get the things from other device, from the copy, and you'll be good actually to go. That's it. Goodbye.